Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I am making a wreath for my front door for spring, and well, actually the one I'm doing is for Easter, but if you do not celebrate Easter, you can just omit the Easter part that I'm going to have on here and just use the flowers and make you a nice springtime wreath. And so all the items that I have in this video today are from Hobby Lobby, except for one item that I picked up from my local thrift store. And so these are all inexpensive items, and you could probably do this wreath if you catch everything while they're on sale. You could do this for around $20. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and you're just tuning in today, I want to tell you thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you'll like this video and give this video a thumbs up. I make new videos every week, so please stop back by and check out my channel again. And if you are not new to my channel and you are here to support me, I really appreciate you. And let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is this wreath I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99, and the week that I got it, it was on sale 50% off. So Hobby Lobby runs sales every week, and they have different items on sale for 50% off. So if you happen to go in and you find something that week that you want and it's not on sale, you can wait, and it'll probably be on sale within the next week or two, because they rotate their items every week. So, but if you don't want to risk going back and it not being there, or maybe you have to have it that day, if you go online to hobbylobby.com, they always have 40% off coupons. So you can just, if you have a smartphone, take that up to the register and give that to them. And if you don't have a smartphone, then you will want to print it ahead of time and take it in with you. Okay, so this wreath was $7.99, like I was saying, and 50% off. And so I picked up these, and they were 50% off. These are just in the floral department with the cute little Easter egg picks. This was $13.99 with 50% off. So all I did was I bent back the stem so that it won't show on the wreath, and I'm just going to tuck that under that branch and pull it down as far as I can. And be careful with these branches because you don't want them to break. And just make sure that you have these kind of, you know, sticking out. Okay, and then I picked up this. This is really cute. I don't know if it's showing up well on the camera or not, but these are little Easter eggs. And so it's got yellow and green and pink and purple, or almost like a lavender lilac color. Really pretty springtime colors. This pick was $6.99, and then 50% off of that. Same thing, I have it folded in half down at the bottom so that I can tuck this in and that part won't be shown. So I'm just going to take this back behind this pick and tuck it in. Well, I'm having a hard time. Let's see. And if you get it wrong, you can take it out. You can keep working with it. You know, there's no certain way that it has to be. Just however you like it is fine. Okay, so that's the wreath so far, and I'm just going to try to work with that still, make sure that that's tucked in good. But I think that I need these to kind of stick out a little more. It's not wanting to cooperate with me, guys. Okay, so let's see. So you can always bend these to kind of get them to go however you that might do it. I might need to bring that one down just a tad. Okay. And we're going to try to... This is not working out very good for me, but okay. That's it. Okay, so this bow I picked up in the floral department. It was $7.99, and then it was an additional an additional 50% off of that. So all I'm gonna do is, it has this on the back, and I'm gonna attach it, covering up those stems right there. I'm gonna hide those. And all I'm gonna do is just take it. Sorry guys, my daughter is videoing me, and of course I'm sure you heard her yawning. You tired, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm just gonna tie this in, kind of double it so that it's not gonna fall off. Okay, so I've got the flowers, and then I've got my bow attached, and then I have one last thing to put on it. I'm just trying to see if I have something hanging right there. I have one last thing to put on it, and then we'll be done. And this little happy Easter sign is what I'm going to attach on this side. I picked this up at the thrift store, and it was $1. And so I've got my hot glue gun ready right here. And I am just going to put glue all over the back of the bunny. This is a large area, so I'm going to have to work quickly so that it doesn't dry before I get it on. These little glue sticks don't last long. Let's see. Not coming out very good. Okay, hopefully that's going to be enough to do it. So I'm just going to put that right there. Kind of hold it for a second. And if the glue gun doesn't hold it very well, I may have to go back over it with the glue gun again, or I could even tie this on with some string. But if you don't celebrate Easter, if you're just looking for a springtime something, they do have little bunnies that you can attach to wreaths at Hobby Lobby. And then you could just put your little flowers and a bow, or you could even take ribbon and wrap it around your wreath. But that looks like it's good. It's staying on there good. Okay, so this would be the final project. Oh, I'm gonna have to work with that. But this would be the final project, and I think this is really nice and an inexpensive wreath, and you could use this years to come. But if you want to change it up, you could take these pieces off and then reuse the wreath again for different seasons. So it's totally up to you. But I'm all about repurposing and reusing this wreath. So I did use this wreath at Valentine's Day, and all I did was just take the decor off and change it up. So there you go. This is the finished project, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend, and bye-bye.